Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's, I'm pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the future, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call it short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon making it in. Make profits. Light up, watching them candles. Profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ET. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang,
Hey, making profits.
we some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Quick updates on open positions. I am long Meta. We are long Meta from 119 and change, 119.48. We are long Meta. Members are also in the December 9th $120 strike call option. That is the December 9th $120 strike call option. So quick updates on positions. We are long Meta. The big winner of the day today, we are still long some of that position. The stock is putting in fresh new session highs. The option contracts on that trade are now up over 80% on the day. We also ripped additional profits off on an AMD short earlier today. We have since closed out and taken final profit on the AMD position, and we are now currently just sitting in Meta long. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those of you that do not know, TTG is the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that is available today. And if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, folks, then you have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here, totally free, where myself, other TTG Pro trading moderators, as well as special guests drop golden nuggets and give you free lessons, education, trade ideas, and analysis that can help you become better traders immediately. So take a moment, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications, share this stream on your own social media. Let's reach out, let's educate, let's empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. Why should you listen to anything I share with you on these lives? Gang, I did not figure this stuff out on my own. Began my career working at a fund in New York City. My very first job right out of college. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. And now I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group, and along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 20-person staff, we've helped thousands of people from all over the world to learn, trade, and profit consistently. We combine university-level courses for trading and investing. We combine that with premium stock market tools. We do workshops and provide mentorship for stocks, options, crypto futures, for all styles of trading. We do day trading, swing trading, and also we do long-term investing and long-term portfolios as well. You see, at TTG, we take that university level curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools that are worth over $5,000 a year. If you go to these companies directly on your own and you pay for their products, it's going to cost you about $5,000. Now, these tools are important. Successful traders use them because it gives them access to more information that allows them to make better decisions, that increases their chances of success. If they use them, so should you. But $5,000 is a lot of money. We know that. We spend years building relationships with these companies so we can offer their products on our platform at no additional cost to you. So literally joining TTG saves you over $5,000 right there. That's a lot of money for someone that's just getting started. We realize that. But you're also going to get access to 10,000 of the True Trading Group family members, the most educated, supportive, helpful, and successful community of traders that you're going to find. And of course, you'll get access to all the trade alerts from myself and 9 other professional trading mods that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on the last 2 years. So if you guys are new to this channel, welcome, subscribe, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss out on any one of these lives. New highs, baby. Meta. Let's go. New high of the day, guys, on Meta. We are rocking and rolling, my TTG fam. If you guys made money on the Meta trade today or the AMD trade today, sound off in chat right now. We are fast approaching a 100% gain on this trade on call options. Again, guys, the Meta call option today. All right, I bought the stock itself. Okay, so I'm long Meta itself, right? I bought the stock. But whenever I trade the individual stock, I have a large account, so I can buy shares of the stock. I will always give members an option that they can trade if they want to follow me on the idea. So I gave people the December 9th expiration, $120 strike call option. At the time that I bought this stock at $119.48, that option was trading at around $2.70. Members got in between $2.65 and $2.75. Call it $2.70. And right now, those options just hit $5.20 for a 93% gain. Just give me another like 50-cent move to the upside, and then TTG fam, we're looking at a 100% gain on those call options. Congratulations, guys, for crushing it today on this meta call. We were all over this thing, and we are now up into your resistance level. This is final targets, 124 to 125 were final targets for us today. This is a beautiful move in the overall markets. The SPY is pushing, new high of the day, trying to go red to green. This is exactly the trading action, the price action that we've been talking about on the last 2 live streams. If you've been following our live streams for a while, then you'll know the last 2 days I drew for you. I literally on my chart drew candles for you on the SPY. I told you exactly what I thought the SPY was going to do, right? We drew those candles for you. That is exactly what the SPY has done yesterday and today after experiencing that massive rally that we had on Wednesday. The market was tested today. It was tested definitively. It was tested aggressively. You had a much better than expected employment number that came out. The unemployment rate is still at 3.7% when everybody thought that the unemployment rate was going to climb, and we just went green on the SPY. There it is, guys. Red to green move on the SPY. We just touched it by a couple pennies. We just touched it by a couple pennies on that red to green move there on the SPY. Now, I don't know how much more we're going to get here today. That is the target. So, guys, I might be dropping the final piece on my meta position right here at 124. I'm still long. One last piece. We've been tearing out of this position all day. I've been in this thing literally since 9:45 this morning. And now here we are tapping off at 124, highs of the day on Meta. But let me just take you guys back here on the SPY real quick. Let me see. Do I want to get out of this? Do I want to sell my last piece? What do you guys think? You guys think I should sell my last piece? What do you guys think? Very nice. 80% gain. Way to go, Jay. Way to go, Jay. Beautifully done. Oh, wow. I'm just looking at all of the I'm just getting caught back up on some of the comments. Just seeing how a lot of you guys did here today. Bull trap? Nah, Mason, I don't think so, man. I think that this is the beginning of the Santa Claus rally that I've been talking about. This rally will be a bull trap once you get into next year, but I think that there's a little bit more upside to come here. I don't think that the move is necessarily over yet. Yes, Zay Joka, $2,000 on the meta trade today. Beautifully done. 150% gain for my boy Jimmy Bench, and you guys are killing it. You guys are absolutely killing it. New all-time high on my P&L. Way to go, Gary Kissel. Gary Kissel, congratulations. I made an entire TTG membership on the SPY today alone. Way to go, Swing Trader to Mars. I like your username. The best place to be on this crazy market is definitely TTD, the Detective Trader. Yep, you know it. Meta, $2,600 for Alex Puig. Great job. Oh, great job, gang. Really good job. You know, I love seeing this. Up 2K. Oh, my boy R. Hirsch. Way to go. Up 2K today on Pinduoduo and Meta. Nicely done. CRISPR error, 106%. Oh, Gary, your second day as a lifetime member. Congrats. Bald Eagle, that's nuts. 602% gain today. Wow. I mean, that has to be today's expiration. That had to be today's expiration, right? Had to be today's expiration. Really good job, though. Mike is almost always right. Woo, woo. Nah, listen, I'm right a lot more than I'm wrong, but I will be wrong. Every trader is wrong, right? Every trader will have losing trades. Every trader will lose. Will have, red days. It's all about how you manage them and how you deal with them. You don't allow a one losing trade or one red day to just blow you up, right? That's what it all comes down to. Being able to lose properly, right? Controlling your risk. And these are things that you'll learn as members of True Trading Group, guys. You should be making more money on winning trades than you lose on losing trades. So that's the one thing that I'll teach you guys when you guys join True Trading Group is you're going to learn how to lose properly. You want to know the easiest way for a trader to make more money? It's not by getting bigger position size. It's not by trading options. It's not by trading something that's a lot more volatile. It's not by holding longer. The easiest way for a trader to make more money is to lose less when they are wrong. That is the easiest way for a trader to make more money. And if you guys just learn how to lose the proper way, you're going to, without making one more winning trade or making one less losing trade, you'll start making more money. You have to make more money on the trades you're right on than you lose on the trades you're wrong on. And most people, that's not the case. Most people lose a lot more money when they're wrong than they make when they're right. And we're going to teach you guys how to fix that. But today, we don't got to worry about any losing trades. We are just straight green across the board today. No losing trades for us today as we are sitting here and enjoying Meta printing off high of the day. This 124 area, like 123.50 up to 125, that whole $1.50 zone in Meta is a resistance zone. This was my final target. I'm just watching the SPY, and I just want to keep an eye on the SPY. If the SPY is going to give us a little bit more upside, I can hang on to this position. But you know, I'm starting to feel a little piggish right now. Still long this thing up here at 124. This is a huge move. I thought last week was my best week until this week happened. The best thing I ever did was join TTG for life. Yes, Bald Eagle, great job, man. Congratulations on the milestone. Way to go, Kelly. $9,000 today. Tesla, Netflix, SPY. Beautiful. I didn't even trade Tesla today. Really nice job. Way to go, Kelly. Taking the education and applying it to your own trade ideas. I love it. Great job. Really great job. All right, folks. Mike was wrong once, that one time that he said he was wrong, but then found out he was right after all. That was actually pretty funny. That was actually pretty funny. Did we hit the 100%? No, 525. It was at 525. No, just missed it. So not quite 100% gain yet, guys, on the option trade today. 94% is the current gain on those call options. Trying to hold back FOMO to get in trades while I go through the courses. Great job, everyone. No, Reaper trades. Fight that FOMO. Listen, whatever you see, whatever trading activity that you're seeing go on in True Trading Group, trust me, there will be plenty more. Okay, there'll be plenty more. This opportunity is overflowing with this market is overflowing with opportunity. Take your time, go through the courses. Don't just jump into trading. You know, people get very excited when they join True Trading Group, and rightfully so. You should get excited when you join TTG. It's an exciting time, but learn to walk before you run. And take your time, go through the courses. Trust me, there's going to be opportunities for a while. And we are green, folks. That is a red to green move today on the SPY. And we successfully held the level that we talked about for the last couple of days on the live streams. If you guys recall, 152% gain on Meta, $608 while using $400 less than half of my max $1,000 per day to trade with. That's incredible. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. A $608 gain with only using $400. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. How many people are here right now? How many people here are not members of True Trading Group? Just type the letters TTG if you're not a member. Type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. Red to green, guys. There it is. Beautiful volume coming in here on this push on the SPY. Just type the letters TTG if you're not a member. I want to see who's on here that's not a member of True Trading Group. Let's see. We got Revolutionary Road, Efficetti, Claire, JD Chip, Dave, Jonathan, Deadly Sniper, JG, Marianne, Money Heist, Julie, Bronx, Cheems, Veza. Awesome, guys. Are you watching this? BQ, everyone that you guys that are not members, are you watching this? Are you seeing these comments that are coming out of chat here right now from these members? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. EQ, Nate. Every day. Yes, Bonk Trader, every day, man. All right, trying to decide where I want to drop out this last piece of this meta trade. All right, we are still sitting on this thing long. And just and notice how I'm sitting here, and I'm having a great day today, guys. Notice I'm not bragging about how much money that I'm making today. I'm bragging about how much money members are making. That's what it's all about. You know, when you join a group, right? You're not joining a group to watch other people make money, and you know, you guys are joining because you want to make money, and that's what's more important. I can tell you I made $1 million. It doesn't matter because my $1 million isn't going to go towards your mortgage or your rent. So what matters here is how you guys do. That's what matters in True Trading Group, at least. You know, we offer a double your money back guarantee with our membership, and it's based on your P&L, no one else's. So if you guys join TTG, and if you can't make back the membership fee, which is $1,100, if you can't make that back at least once during your membership, we'll give you guys back $2,200. That's
also really important. Really important. What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? Sophisticated.
That's not a good one.
All right, I'll come back.
Yeah, it's not good. You can do better than that. We had a whole dad joke segment in chat today. We had a whole dad joke segment inside of chat today. It's Friday. It's a good day. Everybody's having fun. That's okay, Ben. Green is green, brother. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. Ben says, I got out way too early on Meta, but I still am happy with 200%. Yeah, I'd say so, Ben. I'd be happy with 200% gains too, man.
And maybe you should follow your own advice.
I'd be happy with 200% gain too, bro.
No?
What's that?
Then follow your own advice.
What are you talking about?
Like, if you're up significantly, then then get out of it.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. No.
Oh, like to get out of
the other trader at the desk. Huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna get out my last piece here. Yeah. Evans, go flat, Mike. Fine. I'll do it. Yeah, the market we just pushed up there, went green. I don't think the market's going to go too much further.
Yo, did you hear that Ellen drowned? They found her face down in Ricky Lake.
Oh man, that was
Benjamin. I didn't make that one up. Benjamin did. That was a good one. I mean, that was like an awkward stepdad joke.
That was an awkward stepdad joke.
Yeah, that's not so much a dad joke.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, dad jokes are like, they're so not funny that they are funny. Like dad jokes aren't dirty or like sexual jokes. They're just really bad jokes that are so bad that they're funny.
Well, I just have one thing.
We're gonna have an entire live stream of just nothing but people typing dad jokes inside of our chat.
I bet you it's the only time we'd get 1 million views. Bro, how about this one? A cheese factory exploded in France. Debris is everywhere. It was from Joe. Hang on, I got a better one.
Way to go,
hey,
Joe.
Dear math, grow up and solve your own problems. Oh, fuck. All right, whatever, man. We're done. We're done.
Yeah, please, let's be done. You're killing me right now with these dad jokes. I'm still sitting on this meta trade. When do I want to get out of this thing? At previous highs, holding above. Let's see if we can give me 124s and change. SPY still looks good. SPY still holding up green. For those that are just joining us, guys, I am long meta from 119.48, and we are looking for. I'm in the one last piece of my position. We've already taken the bulk of our position off of the table. So I'm still long some of this, and I am about to be getting out of the last piece of my position. We're going to take my final profit off the table here. Members are currently sitting up 94% on call options from earlier this morning, and I'll highlight for you guys where the entry point was. The entry point was right there this morning. There was the entry for us this morning. We've taken profits off. We took profits off into this push. We took profits off into this push. And we took profits off into this push. And now here we are with one last piece of our position, looking for one more extension move. And we will see if we can get that through 124.04 is highs of the day. SPY seems to be, tired out here a bit. Yeah, I think I'll I'm getting like messages. People are literally sending me jokes. Literally, people are sending me jokes right now. All right. I had the AMD. I had AMD short earlier this morning too, just to kind of update people, and we took profits off into this sell-off. We shorted AMD earlier this morning in here, so here was the AMD short, just to cover the other positions that I was sitting on, and then we were taking profits off into these declines, right? So this is what we did here on AMD, took profits off into these declines. Yeah,
Bald Eagle in chat, right?
Yeah.
He said he just had his best day since HKD. And he sent me a screenshot of his day today.
Mm-hmm.
And he told me I could post it and mention his username. We're literally talking in chat on the other screen. I'm going to go ahead and show it on my screen right now. It's a little ridiculous. And he's like, I wanted to screenshot it to you because I didn't want you to think I was lying.
Okay.
Scotty G says, always interrupting. Interrupting Cow says, what? Moo. Shut up, Scotty. All right. Here. We can start at the top and work our way down.
What? Wow. He went after all today expirations and wow. This is all in one day?
That's what he said. Let me triple check that.
It's a lot of trades.
Yeah. Hang on. Let me ask one more time.
Wow, Bald Eagle, congratulations, man. That's amazing.
Said, just say it is the best day since HKD. I was like, oh. He goes, yes, that is from. Yeah.
That's fantastic. That's incredible.
Let me move the thing here. Jesus, bro.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's wild. That is pretty wild.
All right, folks. All right, guys, we did it. So there I am. I'm out. The last final piece of the meta position. So I'm now completely flat. The meta position, we are now out of that. We are now out of the meta position. That was my last piece right there off of the table. And we are now flat meta. That is my target. All right, this area is my target. If you break through it, I mean, we have 30 minutes to go. So if we do break through it, you could have a little more upside here, but I'm starting to feel a little bit like a pig by not just locking this trade in now. So I am now flat. All right, so we are now flat, this meta position. And my final target has now been reached. So congratulations again, guys. We are now completely flat. As bottom right of my screen, you guys can look down here. This level, see that previous level of support? That was my target. And as you guys can see on the daily chart, we just hit it. Right? You saw we just hit it. So I just got flat. There's my final piece of profit. Oh, I got to send out the alert inside of chat. Sorry, guys. Let me just send out the alert here inside a chat for all of our members. All right. Yeah, I sent it. I sent the alert out. So yeah, so if you're just joining us, we send out whenever our trades execute, we send out real-time notifications inside of our chat room. But then also, if you can't be in front of your computer, we have a mobile app that, as long as you have a cell phone, you'll get all of our real-time notifications. And it's not just for me. It's whenever any of the moderators enter or exit trades, you'll be getting the real-time push notifications sent directly through to your cell phone. All right, so that's what I just did. I just sent out the alert to all of our members in chat, and then I sent out, obviously, and then that alert also goes out to all of our members that are on the mobile app. So there it is, guys. Congratulations. Now I'm flat. I have no more positions. Right? We were short AMD early. We were long Meta early. We held on to both of these positions for many hours, and that's the type of traders that we are. You know, we're not scalpers inside True Trading Group where, you know, we're in and we're out within seconds, or we're in and we're out within minutes. You know? So
why do you pause and go into a what do you
I was just reading an idiot's comment.
Okay.
So yeah, we're not scalpers inside of True Trading Group, guys. So we're not in and out within seconds or minutes. My day trades last several hours. You know, I got long this position at like 9:45 in the morning, right here on the initial entry. This we talked about it right when we went live. I was letting everyone know that we're long, and my target up here was this 124 area. It's like 123.50 to like 124.50. Like that dollar range was my target, and it's my target because of this previous double bottom support that you see back here from October. So this was the level that I was looking for us to get to today. If we were able to clear yesterday's highs, we cleared yesterday's highs. We then consolidated above it beautifully. That was actually a beautiful, beautiful consolidation there above the previous day's highs. And then we got up there, we reached my target, and I'm now flat. This is a situation where I basically just ran out of trades. Okay, where we basically just ran out of trades. I mean, ran out of shares. So if you guys are still long on the position, anyone that's a member of True Trading Group, if you guys are still long the position, the next target that I would have for Meta would be up around 130. So up around 130 would be the last target that I would look for. I'm not holding on to that position. You're not going to get there today, and I didn't intend on holding this overnight. So that's why I'm flat at my target, which is this 124 area. All right, so we are flat. I think there's more upside to this name next week, and maybe we can get up there. Maybe on Monday we can get another trade going and get up towards that 130 level. Is kind of what I'm thinking. But I'm out there for now, guys. So we got about 30 minutes to go. I'm flat Meta, and I got flat AMD earlier today, so I'm not in that anymore.
I don't even know how you would answer this question, but sure. I really respect it.
Sure.
I'd love. So this is from Brad Walsh. I'd love to do this. I know you don't do monthly, and have a holiday sale, but I'm still short. I don't want a handout. But what would you suggest I learn before I join if I can't afford the 1100? Not far off. I like the fact that they weren't like asking us to reduce the. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
No, that is awesome.
That's honestly the first time I've ever seen that.
I
I guess it would depend on how far off. I mean, if you're,
what do they suggest that they learn?
You could do our trial.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you can do our trial. I would maybe say start with that. I'd maybe say start with that.
Yeah, I mean, look, a lot of people make money from watching these live streams too that are not members.
Yeah.
You know? So, that's what it is. That's pretty cool. Either
That is
way,
pretty
Brad, I
cool.
respect the crap out of you for that, man.
Yeah,
That's,
Brad. Likewise, Brad.
yeah.
I appreciate the. Likewise, Brad. I appreciate the.
Crypto Killer says, "Let's see a real trade execution."
Yeah, I know. Crypto Killer has been commenting this entire time.
Oh, so
He's
Joe's.
like, is this play money?
Can you stop, please? That's all right.
It's okay, Crypto Killer. So, Crypto Killer, what you're looking at right now is something called TC2000. You may have never seen it before. This is called
Right.
TC2000.
It doesn't come with your FTX account.
Right. It doesn't come with your FTX account, or you don't get a free trial from buying Sheeb. But what happens here, this is TC2000. This is what I use for my charting software. You could trade with TC2000 if you want. They have partnered with Interactive Brokers to provide actual trading execution on TC2000 if you want. I, on the other hand, trade with Lightspeed. Lightspeed is where I trade. Okay, I don't trade through TC2000. However, we do have many members in True Trading Group that do trade with TC2000. They like it. It's basically the same execution as Interactive Brokers.
Yeah.
So if you guys like Interactive Brokers, you can use the same type of. That is the partnership that they have worked out for TC2000. But I just use TC2000 for charts. I think it's the best charting software that's out there. That and TradingView are the two best charting softwares. I'm comfortable with TC2000 because I learned on it. And I'm comfortable with Lightspeed because when I worked at the hedge fund, that's what the software that we traded through. The fund traded through Lightspeed. And I've never traded. I've always had my Lightspeed account, but I've used E-Trade a little bit. But Lightspeed is the platform that I like the best, hands down for me. But this is TC2000.
Nice.
Lightspeed's charts are the worst charts that I've actually ever used. I don't recommend anybody uses Lightspeed's charts. Lightspeed's charts suck, but their execution's the best.
Fair enough. So, anyways, let's move on. Let's keep it positive. Brad, you're awesome.
Yeah, great question, Brad.
Crypto Killer, you're probably awesome, but
honestly, listen, Crypto Killer has probably seen a bunch of complete, furus or BS.
Yeah, you also sound like you're from the Jersey Shore and you wear like this baseball hat. I look like I'm sitting in a dungeon. I mean, we don't really give off the same vibes as like, whatever.
I sit from home in my beautiful
No,
office.
don't.
I mean, I don't think I have a Jersey Shore accent either.
You do.
I don't think so.
No, you definitely do.
I don't think so.
Yeah. I mean, there's a reason I call you Snooky.
I don't know why.
Because you sound like you're from the Jersey Shore.
I don't at all. Those people aren't even from New Jersey.
Well, the show made it.
Thanks, R. Hirsch, my man. See, I can always count on R. Hirsch. R. Hirsch is my guy. He goes, got the accent, but way cooler.
All right.
All right, guys, they're getting a little bit of a pullback now on that meta. We're starting to pull ourselves back here just a little bit. And there's a SPY with your pullback. That's what I was talking about. Once you went up there and touched yesterday's close, I felt like that was, when I said, I don't think the markets have too much more left in them here today. That's a pretty nice level of resistance yesterday. If you guys look at the bottom left of my screen, that's going to be a 15-minute chart. And you can just see the resistance level that you had here after you had the gap up. That was the initial morning low. You broke it and you stayed underneath that level all afternoon. Now you rallied back up to it. You touched yesterday's close to go green, and then you get your pullback. Now you have two levels of support. One I would believe strongly in, the other I would not. The first one I would not believe as strongly in would be this previous double top high from today. The one that I would feel strongly more about would be 405 VWAP, because 405 VWAP has been support 1, 2, 3, 4 times here today. It's been affecting the price of the SPY every single time you get down and tested it. So that's going to be the level there that I would look for. If you do get a deeper pullback into the close, you probably get a quick bounce going into the after hour session. I mean, that would be a quick trade for any scalpers that we have that are on here. But if you do get a quick drop to 405, call options into the close, and you probably get a move back to 406 in the after hour session. And you don't forget the options trade for 15 minutes after the close on the SPY, not on individual stocks. All right, so there is that pullback. Looks like we caught the. Looks like we caught the top of that move, guys. There's your little pullback now on Meta. Looks like we caught the top of that. All right, looks like we caught the top of that. So there's your pullback now on the SPY, and that is your resistance level, right? So where did we get that level from? Right, that's where we got the level from. Again, on the bottom right of my screen, the daily chart, you can see this level, previous double bottom support. So we draw the line across, and this range is about $1 wide. It really is from like 123.50 up to 124.50. It's about $1 wide, and we got right into it. And I got flat at 124.
Your butt's $1 wide.
My butt's $1 wide. I'm not really even sure what that means, but you're just grasping at straws now. I don't
Grasping at dollars.
Yeah. See a $100 bill on the floor, pick it up, right?
Why do we keep gaining people watching this?
I'm not sure. You know, I mean, the word is out. The word is out about our dad jokes.
No, it's Fridays. Fridays are the most fun.
Fridays are fun and they're casual, right? Like we're just having fun. It was a great week. You know, you had a lot of action in the market. It's been a great Friday. We really hit this meta trade. I'm happy to go into the weekend. Happy to go into the weekend on a high note.
And then this really feels like the start of that Santa Claus rally.
Oh,
like the confirmation, you know, like when earlier in the week it was great that that the market moved up, but like, is it really the start? Is just a good day, you know? And like, this feels like confirmation.
Yeah, you know what it is too. And this is something that we had mentioned. I'm going to go full screen here so you guys can see. Now, do you guys recall, if you have followed my live streams for the last couple of days, anyone that's been on my live streams the last couple of days, do you remember I told you to draw a line across your screen, right? That's the line that we drew across our screen if you've been with us for the last couple of days, okay? That level right there was tested today, and it held successfully. It's exactly what we discussed, right? The last live stream on Wednesday night, I drew candles for you on my chart. Go watch Wednesday night's live stream when you're done with this. It's right here on this YouTube channel. And Adam asked me, like, hey, what do you think happens now after this big green candle? And I drew these two candles for you, right? We drew these two candles, and you got the exact situation that you had. But why? Why was that level significant? Well, guys, if you take a look here, right, you take a look at my screen, it does not take an experienced chartist to see these levels: resistance, go back here, resistance. That's a gap entry point. This was a gap down when you had a CPI print in September. That was a gap down from CPI, right? So there's gap entry, resistance. And here's your 200-day moving average, yellow line on your screen. That is also resistance. Okay. So now as you pan back and you go back even further to the left, what you start to notice is, okay, this level is a major level of resistance, right? You guys see it now very clearly. So on Wednesday, when we broke above this level, I said we have to backfill that move. And Adam very specifically asked me, what do you mean by that, Mike? What do you mean backfill that move? This level of resistance is too significant of a level that it needs to be tested. And if that level gets tested and it holds, that is going to be your confirmation that you then can start looking for the market to continue to the upside and go through that Santa Claus rally. The Santa Claus rally, there's in my mind, there is one thing and one thing only that's going to jeopardize that Santa Claus rally, and that is a higher than expected CPI number on December 13th. If that CPI number is higher than expected, then forget about it. Santa Claus ain't coming. Grinch steals Christmas. Everybody's getting coal. Short, get puts. Hold on until New Year's Eve. And then that'll be how we'll finish out the year. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think that the December 13th CPI number will also be under expectations, and that would give you the runway for the Santa Claus rally going into the end of the year. And hedge funds are not positioned for it. The put to call ratio is still way heavily oversided on puts. There's still too much cash on the sidelines in hedge fund positioning, and that money is going to, in my opinion, chase performance going into the end of the year. And that could give us a move that takes you up into this region before the year is over and really just finish off the Santa Claus rally. And then the next major level of resistance, okay, that I see, there's a couple different levels here, and I'll draw my resistance levels for you. For those of you that are following along here, I'll draw these levels out for you guys. So there are 3 levels of resistance now that you have to focus on the SPY. One of them is an absolute back up the truck, load up short, load up on puts. And that, my friends, is 429, 430. If for some reason the market gets to this level, I will absolutely be getting short, and I'll be getting short probably as many things as I possibly can if the market gets to this level. This level to me is the ceiling for this rally. Okay. If this rally continues for the next month or so, that is, in my opinion, the ceiling. If for some reason we get to that level, I will absolutely be getting short. So you want to draw that line across on your screen and keep it there. Your other minor levels of resistance, these resistance levels are not as severe as the 431, but these are resistance levels. One of them is 411.50. Okay, you can just draw these lines on your screen. One of them is 411.50, and then the other is 420. Where are we getting these levels from? 411.50. Well, we're going to go back to the left, and you'll see we have that previous pivot top, and then prior to that, it was a level of support, right? You guys can see that. And then right here, you'll see that you had a gap fill, right? So here you had this big gap up. We dropped down, filled the gap. It became support. Then you had the Jackson Hole meeting. It crushed that level. You rallied back up. That level became resistance. Bad CPI number. Market sold off, right? So that is a very important level. Okay, that's 411.50. You break through 411.50, which if you get a lighter than expected CPI number, you probably should and will break through this level. Your next resistance level is going to be 420. Now, where does 420 come into play? 420 comes into play because, my friends, that is this pivot high, and that was the Jackson Hole meeting. And then that Jackson Hole meeting leaves you with a gap that is yet to be closed, that is sitting right back there from early August. So that's why that level becomes another level of resistance. And then 430 that's the ceiling, right? And then 430 is the ceiling that I'd be looking for. And where do I get that from? That's this previous pivot top back in August, and then also all 3 of these pivot tops from April and May. So you see resistance, 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 right? Resistance, 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 resistance. And if you get back up to there, that would be another level of resistance that we would look for the markets to pull off away from if we get all the way to 430. Okay. And there we have it. All right. So those are the levels that I want you all to really focus on. Those are the levels I really want you guys to focus on. Okay. So you can draw those lines on your screen. I'll take them off mine just for now to keep things nice and clean on my chart, but I know those levels are there. Now you guys can draw lines on your screen so that you know that those levels are there. So there's that pullback in the SPY, guys, and look at Meta. Look at Meta rolling over now. Man, we got out of that thing just in the nick of time. Right there, a final take profit for us on the Meta trade, and then now you're getting this beautiful little pullback right off of that resistance level. It is not a coincidence. It is not a crystal ball. It is not fortune telling. It's not predicting the future. It's just reading charts and supply and demand zones, resistance and support levels. And this is the level that we had talked about being resistance for Meta. And that was our target. We pushed right up to it and got to it. And that's when we said, okay, we're taking final profits off the table. We're not going to be greedy. We're not going to be pigs on this. We're going to take our profits. I'm going to call it a day. And it's exactly what we did. Congratulations once again, folks, my TTG fam, on what was a fantastic day for us. Does anybody have any questions about either the SPY or anybody have questions about my Meta trade or my AMD trade today? You guys have any questions at all, just maybe comment, sound off in chat right now, and I'll answer any questions that you guys have. We got about 15 minutes to go before the markets close. So if you guys have any questions at all, why don't you just, fire away. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Oh, Crypto Killer, is that person even still here? Because I'm not a current member, but old member, and trust me, nothing fugazi about them. All trades are spoken of and levels discussed before trades. I understand how you feel, but TTG is great. Yeah, appreciate that, John. Appreciate that, brother. Thoughts on the strength of Chinese stocks into next week? Honestly,
Big congratulations, Bald Eagle.
Yes, Bald Eagle's the person who had their best day ever. Bald Eagle, congratulations on one hell of a day. We just pulled up your trading stats there from today, and that's Bald Eagle, guys. That's the actual member whose account that was. I have absolutely no idea on the strength of the Chinese stocks next week, Bald Eagle. To be completely honest with you, it's pin the tail in the donkey. It's blindfold yourself and swing and try to hit the pinata. I mean, every other day, the Chinese government.
Do you have any other derogatory Hispanic references you'd like to throw out there, Mike?
It's not a derogatory Hispanic reference. I mean, you saying that is, but.
Oh, whatever. Go ahead.
But
one of our fathers is from Brazil. Can you guess which one it is? It's not Mike. Go ahead.
No, it's not Mike. Brazilians. Hold on.
I'm just gonna read it out loud.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Seriously, don't do that.
Then don't send it. Don't send it.
What was the Chinese stocks? You can't. Every other day, the government is changing their stance on COVID. One day, cases are up, restrictions are back on. The next day, cases are down, restrictions are eased. And these Chinese stocks have become impossible to swing trade, but they have become fantastic day trades. And they're impossible to swing trade because you're getting big gap ups and big gap downs depending on what the government in China says. And there's just no way to predict that. So the stocks have just been literally gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down, gap up, gap down. I mean, it's a nightmare if you're trying to swing trade that. But the day trade has left you with phenomenal momentum and phenomenal direction. So over the last couple of days, I'll go to a full screen for Alibaba and I'll go to like a 15-minute chart. And you take a look at all of this, or maybe like a 5-minute chart. You know what? Screw it. I'll just do the daily charts. You guys can see it better. So you see you have like huge rally, right? And then big gap down, right? And then gap down. And all of a sudden it's, big gap up. And you're like, oh, something good. Oh, no, wait, big gap down, right? And then it's like, oh, big gap up. And you're like, oh, big gap up. And then yesterday, big gap down. And then today it's like, it's every other day you're getting this back and forth type of action based on nothing other than these stocks are not moving for any other reason other than what the Chinese government is saying regarding their COVID restrictions and their lockdowns and everything. So I'm not trying to swing trade these things, but I will be looking for trades on them. And I'll tell you this, Alibaba is pushing up into what is a pretty big level. And this level, I'll draw this line across my screen and you guys can see this used to be a level of support back here in August and July. You guys see that level, right? Now we're pushing up into that zone. And then look what else you have here. You see what else you have here? This yellow line, 200-day moving average. See that 200-day moving average that's on my screen? You guys see the last time this stock was above the 200-day moving average? 2020, 2021. So I'm looking for that to actually be a level of resistance. And if there is any type of update regarding China, I'll tell you guys this now. This is a trade idea you can put on your list for next week. But only if the Chinese government increases their restrictions on COVID again, then I will 1000% be shorting Alibaba back down into the low 80s, at least to 85, and go back and test this 100-day moving average and maybe get down here, but only if the Chinese government increases restrictions. So if you come into the day one, let's say 8:30, you're sitting down at your desk, you're trying to read the news and you see, oh, China, new 7-day high COVID cases, lockdown back in place for Shanghai or whatever the hell, right? There's some type of update about increased restrictions.
Yeah, Shenzhen shut-in.
What?
Like a Shenzhen shut-in?
Yeah. So then I'll be shorting these stocks on that day as a day trade, not as a swing trade, but as a day trade, I'll be shorting those names. What were the weed stocks that I liked? Asks Ben Griffin. Ben Griffin, my biggest positions are Curaleaf, CURLF, and Green Thumb, GTBIF. Okay, these are my two biggest positions. Green Thumb and Curaleaf. These are my two biggest. These are the two companies I like the most in the cannabis space.
Mike, I got a question for you.
Sure.
So I'm thinking about buying calls for December 16th with an expiry of 406 or December 16th expiration, 406 strike in the SPY. What do you think?
I don't think that's a good idea now, because the implied volatility that you're going to encounter.
It's not really for me.
I know it's not for you. It's a question from a member, right? I mean, yeah. The implied volatility that you're going to experience on the option going into the CPI number, coupled with the time decay that you're going to experience on the December 16th expiration, on the 13th when the CPI number comes out, you just need to understand, if you're going to take that trade now, if the CPI number is higher than expected, you're going to lose 100% of the position. You will lose 100% of your position. Now, if you are right, okay, with a 406 strike, and let's say that this is where the problem lies, though. With a 406 strike, if the CPI number comes in under expectations and you get the Santa Claus rally, you're not going to be able to participate in it as much, because your expiration is the 16th. And you're going to get the CPI number on the 13th. You're going to get the Fed meeting on the 14th, and the time decay and the implied volatility crush that you're going to experience after those two major events is going to crush the premium on your contract. Even though the market might be moving to the upside, you're going to get a lot of premium is going to get sucked out of that, which is going to leave your risk reward unbalanced. So you're going to be carrying far greater risk on that position without experiencing the true profit reward potential for carrying that, for it to make sense for you to carry that risk. Okay. Yes, Jessica, I did. Good eye. Jessica goes, Mike, did you get a new chair? I did. There's massagers in this chair. There's actually heated. It's heated.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Send me a link right now. Send me a link.
I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you.
Are you paper trading your chair?
Am I what?
Are you paper trading your chair?
Am I paper trading my chair?
Yeah, like faking it. How did you get massagers and heating in there?
I don't know, man, but I have it. I mean, look, it's got a remote and everything.
It's insane. Jessica, you want to come on the live?
Matter of fact, turn this bad boy on.
Yeah, just make sure the thing that sticks up from the bottom is put away this time. Can't have that going on here. That's got to go on OnlyFans.
Yes, that goes on. That's strictly reserved for OnlyFans, guys. It's True Trading Group's OnlyFans. We're in the top 0.01% of creators.
Yep. If you guys go to onlyfans.com/chubby Jewish feet, that's my page. There is no coupon codes or sales for that. And you do not get a laptop, but you do get a foot scrub.
And there are tons of upsells.
Yeah, a lot of upsells there.
Wow, this is fantastic.
Mike, can you send the link for the chair?
Yeah, not right now. I mean, when I'm done with when we're done with the live, I will. We only have a couple of minutes left here, guys. Yeah, but this chair is amazing. It's heated, and I got massagers in it. It's fantastic. Adam, I'll send you the link. It was only a couple $100 too. Got it on Amazon. It's fantastic. All right, guys. So there is the bounce back there in the spine, moving itself back up towards upside, and we are going to finish out the day. Right? What a day! What a recovery! This is that line that we drew, right? You guys see this is that line. Let's go to the daily chart. All right, so see, here's the line that I drew on the daily chart. You see that? We just talked about this. You guys all see this line, right? And then when you go into the intraday chart, do you think that this is a coincidence? Right? Do you think that this is a coincidence? The answer is no, it is not. All right. That level held support. We've talked about it for the last couple of days, and we were able to capitalize on the upside move today on the back of that analysis.
Yo, honestly, there's a lot of people that want to buy that chair. Guys, don't post that link yet, Mike. I'm going to contact that company and make a sweet deal. I'm going to be like, yo, I got like 15 people that'll buy that chair from you right now.
Nice. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah. Guys,
I smell giveaway.
No, I'm not doing a giveaway for this. You guys will pay for it, but I'll go ahead and let me work a deal on it.
Join True Trading Group. Get a free massage and warming trading chair.
Right. Or as anyone else calls it, it's Saturday.
All right, folks, we got a couple of seconds until the close, the final trading hour of the week, the final trading day of the week. Here comes the bell. And what a day it was. And the marijuana stocks are hot today, too. They're still climbing upside. And
big shout out to DigitalOcean for their hosting and services over there. On the biggest day, marijuanastocks.com has been down all day because their server is not working. So,
that's good.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
That's good. Today, actually, the very first piece of legislation regarding cannabis hit the president's desk for the first time ever in history. It happened today. So it's funny that this is actually happening because yesterday on our live stream, people were asking me about cannabis. And I told you guys, I think 2023 is going to be a good year for cannabis. And then what happens today, you get this beautiful move here to the upside on the MSOS ETF and huge volume bar as you get some legislation appears on President Biden's desk. And there's a major resistance level here that we got to watch on MSOS right here around $13.50 to $14. And that is this level you guys see right here. See this previous support, resistance. And then here is that dreaded yellow line. That yellow line is coming into play on a
holy
lot
shit. Look how many people are requesting info on the chair. Yo, I need you to send me that link privately because I need to contact that company right now.
I will. But that's a level we got to look at there, guys. That's a level we got to look at there for MSOS. Okay. So there you guys have that. All righty. All right, folks. That wraps it up. The final trading hour of the week. What I would like to do here real quick, I want to see something. My TTG fam, you guys had a good week this week. You had a good day. Tell me right now, if you're making money and you guys are becoming better traders because of TTG, do me a favor, type the $ in chat right now. If you're a member, we're talking to members specifically now. If you're a member, do me a favor, type the $ if you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders because of the TTG community. If you are not one of our members, my advice to you is plain and simple. Count how many people are about to type the $ because, folks, these are your peers. These are people that are just like you. They found us the same way, one of these live streams. They had all the same excuses and hurdles. No, they don't have more time than you. No, they don't have more money than you. No, they are not smarter than you. Yes, they also have full-time jobs and busy schedules. Yes, they are still unable to sit in front of their computer screens all day long and stare at charts. But yet here they are telling you that they're making money and they're becoming better traders. And if they can do it, so can you. We have a holiday sale that is available to you guys here this weekend, but we've had to kind of throttle back the amount of laptops and one-on-ones that we were giving away for people because the holiday sale has been going fast. So what we've done is we got a holiday sale. Now we typically will try to, you guys know, we try our hardest to get laptops for people when they want to join the TTG family. We've been able to get our hands on some from one of the new wholesalers that we've been working with, who's actually given us the biggest bulk orders that we've been able to get actually over the last 2 years. But they've been going fast. We got rid of about 30 or 40 laptops just in a day or 2 days. So we're throttling back those laptops, and we're going to have some available for you guys.
Wait.
I hate when you do this to me.
I'm sorry, bro. Buy me some time real quick before we go any further. See how many people are still here that are not members.
All right, let's start with that. If you guys are not members and you're still here, type TTG.
Dave Norby. Bro,
Type TTG
What
if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Yeah, Christian Zandonis is great help today from Gio on the SPY and yesterday as well. Yeah, Gio's been fantastic walking people through those SPY analysis in the middle of the day. So guys, go ahead, type TTG. I want to see who's on here that's not a member. We got about 900 people that are with us live on a Friday afternoon. Let me see who's with us here that's not a member. Just type TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. We got Lamar, we got Kenneth. What? Wow, we're getting I'm getting some info here, guys. This is amazing. Summer Sausage. It's a great username. Joe's Videos. John, what's up?
No idea how. I don't know how you want to do that.
I think we got it. I think we do it the same way we did it last time. I don't know a fair way how to do that.
Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Yeah, it would be 10, right?
It would be 10 if you did 900. Yeah, it'd be 10 to equal that amount.
Yeah. Hang on, don't say anything yet.
Guys, stand by. I can't believe that people do. This is nuts. I can't believe this. Are we able to say who they are? Or?
No. I'm trying to type and talk to both of them at the same time.
All right, so guys, we're while Adam tries to figure this out, let me take a couple more questions from people. If you guys have any questions about anything, I can talk about some individual stocks. While we just got some pretty crazy news, so I'm just waiting. I'm just going to let Adam kind of work through that a little bit while I maybe take some questions from you guys. You guys are so funny. They're like, "Who did what?" I'm trying to find.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, no, do your thing. TGD Sunshine, take care. Have a good weekend. Charting software. Okay, so Jerry, my charting software you see on my screen, this is TC2000, but TradingView, their premium charting software, is included with your membership to True Trading Group when you join. So when you join True Trading Group, you get access to a lot of different tools and resources, one of which is TradingView's premium charting software. Now, if you went to TradingView directly, it's going to cost you about $600 a year. It's included with your membership when you join TTG. And you also get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. That's over $1,000 if you go to Benzinga directly. It's included with your membership. You get the Trade Ideas scanner. That is a few $100 a year. That's included with your membership. You get a simulator from ETNA, so you can practice trading stocks and options with fake money. That is just under $1,000 a year. If you went to ETNA directly, it is included with your membership when you join TTG. You don't have to pay anything extra for any of these things. These are the tools that are on our platform. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, analyst ratings, insider buying, insider selling, short data, a social sentiment scanner, a trading journal. All of those things are part of your membership when you join us. So if you pay for any of those tools now, currently on your own, like if you already pay for trade ideas, or if you pay for a simulator, or if you pay for a news feed, or a charting software, or if you pay for dark pool data, all of that information is on our platform and you don't have to pay anything extra for it. Okay. So all of that's included in the TTG membership. And I'm just, oh, Jerry says, I'm a member. Okay. So Jerry, then you can use the Trading View charts. Jerry, you can use the Trading View charts. They're free. It's on our platform. You joined a couple weeks ago. Nice, Jerry. So Jerry, the Trading View charting system, it's on your platform. It's on your member dashboard. And there's a tutorial video to show you how to use it properly. I use TC2000. This is not free. This actually costs, there's Trading View. Thank you, Joe. So that's Trading View. So that charting software you guys get with your membership to TTG. You don't have to pay anything extra for that. This is included with your membership, Jerry. And you can switch it to dark mode. Like if you don't want it white, you can make it black. Like if you like dark mode better, like my charts are black. I like black charts. I don't know why. Just it's easier on my eyes. Anybody else have any other questions while I just wait for? Yes, it does after hours. Yes, it does after hours. Yes, bond prices have had a solid bounce off lows. Bond prices have really had a solid bounce off lows. I'll lay out for you guys. The bond playbook for next year. It's going to be nice just to collect the interest on some of those shorter duration assets. You know, you have CDs that are paying over 4%. Thoughts on the market, Diana? Listen, guys, my thoughts on the market. I mean, they are the same thoughts that I've had for the last couple of months, and the market's been doing exactly kind of what we expected from it. We're in the Santa Claus rally mode, is what I'm looking for. We gapped down today on a much stronger than expected jobs report. We added 267,000 new non-farm payrolls when the expectation was 200,000. Oh, I hate the guy that's on CNBC right now. I just feel like he's so pompous. I hate his facial expressions when he talks. But as I'm sitting here, with the SPY, today's jobs report, 267,000 non-farm payrolls, expected to be 200. The unemployment rate was unchanged. Unemployment rate 3.7. Everybody expected that number to be a hell of a lot closer to 4. People were expecting, 3.9. As you've seen a lot of layoffs happening, especially in Silicon Valley and all these big tech companies, these very high-paying jobs. You're seeing a lot of layoffs happen, and people were expecting to see that unemployment number begin to climb. And it didn't happen today, and it was a big shock to the market. The markets were stunned to see the unemployment rate today still be 3.7%. They were stunned to see 67,000 new jobs higher than the expectation. So the market's gapped down viciously right off that print. That print came out. We dropped like a rock. You dropped like 100-pound weight in the lake. I mean, it just boof right as soon as that number came out. But where did we drop to? We dropped right to this level, right? We dropped right to this level, and that's exactly the level that we talked about that needs to hold support. And today that level held, and I think that's a very good sign. And I think you're safe now to look for consolidation in this zone before making another move to the upside.
All right, I'm back.
Okay.
I know you were waiting with bated breath. All right, check it out. So we had a member like 5 minutes ago that sent us $2,000 to our PayPal account with a note that essentially said, "You guys are amazing. Put this towards other people's annual memberships." This is not the first time this has happened. We love our members. They really don't need to do that. I reached out to that person. I told them I was going to refund them. They said they would resend it. That's what it is.
Yeah,
right?
You guys do not need. This is the second time someone's done this. You guys do not need to do this.
It's not necessary.
It just goes to show you how amazing the group is. That is True Trading Group. That people are realizing the positive impact that this platform is having on their lives, and they want to give back and allow other people the opportunity to take advantage of it. And it's just amazing. I'm completely at a loss for words when members do these selfless things and to help other people and to help complete strangers. And I just think it just says a lot about the quality of member that we have in the TTG family. And I just appreciate all of you.
Yeah. I asked them if I could mention them, and they said no. I said, okay. It is a lifetime member that did this.
Wow.
So pretty incredible. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I just went into the TTG chat before I closed it, and I told them what happened, right? And we all kind of had a discussion for a minute or two. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to take, so right now, a True Trading Group membership with our holiday sale is $1,100. And you get a laptop, you get a one-on-one mentor session, 2 small private study groups, everything else, right? So what, I guess, how many people on here, because what I'm thinking about doing, or what we're going to do is, how many people on here are not TTG members? Like, if you're not a TTG member and you're looking to potentially get a membership for under $1,000 right now, type the number, or type TTG in chat. I want to type TTG in chat if you're looking to get a membership for under $1,000 right now and you're not a TTG member. Okay. Is that 10 people?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Todd,
4.
Lamar, Allen.
Okay, a lot more than 10.
Joe's, Gamble, Tony, Benz, Claire, Don, X-Back, Denise, Sarah, Kenneth, Brett, Rick.
Okay, so it's more than 10. So here's what I'm going to do. All right? Here's what I'm going to do. I am going to go ahead. Oh, wow. It's all those too. 16, now 17. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. The first 10 people that go to the website and enter a coupon code that I'm going to give you will get it for $900 each. Okay, right now it's $1,100. I'm gonna, because somebody sent us $2,000, I'm gonna give it to you guys for $900 each that will come. Is my microphone messed up, Mike?
A little bit. There's a little bit of that helicopter in the. It's faint though, Adam. It's not that bad, but it is there. But it's faint.
Yeah, because it's the default. Oh, hang on.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to change my microphone input.
Oh.
How's that?
Oh, better. Stopped.
Okay. All right. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. All right. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give everyone a chance, the next 10 people. So before I even do that, how many of you would actually take that deal? If you would take that, if you're not a member and you want to be one of the people to take that deal, type the number 1. Your renewal price will not be 900. Your renewal price would be 1100 in a year. I can't renew with that price.
Right. This is just a member of True Trading Group, wants to give back to you guys. So,
All right. Well, if only 2 people or 3 people, 4 people.
oh, okay. So it's less.
All right. No, that's fine. You don't have to do it. I'm just trying to see, because if it's only Sarah Limbaris, yeah, it's not that we're making it that low. I'm not giving that as the discount. What I'm saying is somebody paid that's already a member.
Right.
Somebody paid that's already a member. So
basically what happened, guys, a member just literally sent us $2,000 and was like, hey, I want you to put this towards annual memberships so other people will put it towards other people's annual memberships. We're like, we don't. Adam's like, yo, I'm going to send this back to you. You don't need to do this. And the person said, oh, no, I'll just send it right back to you. So this is the second time one of our members has done this. And we don't know any other fair way to do that. How do you just pick 2 people, or I don't know how to do that in a fair way if there's more than 2 people that are interested in that deal. So I feel like this is the fairest way to do it. Just give everybody that wants it, give the first 10 people a $200 discount, and the 1100 becomes 900. We're not making the price 900. This is,
we still have.
We're just not trying to double.
We're going to have the money on our part.
Yeah.
All right, so why don't we do this? So Lamar goes on the page with a credit card ready to Jesus.
Lamar, that's awesome.
All right, so what I'll do is, Joe, pull up the page. All right, let me close the comment out so people can see it. Give 2,000 people a $1 discount. I love that idea. All right, hang on. Let me just make sure everything works. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. The person that did it was actually Dave Norby's wife. No, I'm just kidding.
There's a member in chat whose username is Dave Norby's wife.
Oh, yeah.
That's why when you just said that, I thought you said the person didn't want to.
No. I was making fun of Dave Norby and his wife.
I know you were.
All right. All right. So the code to use, I'm going to put it on the screen. All right. I'll put it on the screen.
First 10 people, guys.
I'm so sorry. So it's the exact same holiday deal. You're going to get, there are 19 people on the checkout.
Wow.
All right. Hang on.
So guys, it'll be 900. You guys get the one-on-one as well.
Joe, post the link to the checkout page so everyone has like a fair shot.
Yeah, post the link in the chat. So everybody has the link. That's ttgoffer.com, guys. ttgoffer.com.
All right, you ready? The code is TTG9910. TTG9910. It will only work for the first 10 people. After 10 people, it will stop working. I'm rooting
for Lamar.
I am rooting for Lamar as well. And we're off.
There they go.
All right.
Bruce Sears. Yeah, man. Congratulations. Bruce Sears sent me a message today in chat. He goes, I told Mike he helped me cover my wife's Christmas gift today with that meta trade. I also covered my wife's Christmas gift with that meta trade today.
Oh.
What? What?
Nothing. It just sounded funny.
Oh.
All
Lamar
right.
coming down the straightaway.
Yep.
Lamar's leading. Lamar's leading, going into the clubhouse. We turn the corner.
Lamar is the first one that signed up. We got Lamar.
Yeah, way to go, Lamar. There you go. You got one, buddy. You got one.
Jack says coal is cheap.
So while you guys are going through this, why don't I maybe just, go through and kind of.
Yeah, tell them what they get, Mike.
Yeah, I'll just make sure you guys all understand what you're getting, because the membership comes with, and the first 10 people to join with coupon code TTG9910, you're going to get actually an unheard price of $900 for the whole year, because a member of True Trading Group has donated $2,000 to new annual members, which is absolutely incredible. That is their way of giving back during the holidays. And we are spreading out a $200 discount to the first 10 people to join with that $2,000 donation from that member. Okay, so the next 10 people to go to ttgoffer.com and enter the code TTG9910. If the coupon code works for you, you're one of the 10, because it is only for 10 people. So once 10 transactions complete, that coupon code won't work. So when you actually type in TTG9910, click apply code, and then if it drops to 900 and you can check out, then you guys are good to go. So that's going to conclude our entire platform, all of our courses and all of our tools. You get every course, all 22 of them. This is a simplified but extended upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. There's no upsells for pro courses. They're all included. You get all of our beginner courses, all of our advanced.
You're not going to see this price again because we are not reducing the price.
Yeah, the price of our membership for the holiday sale right now is $1,100. It is only $900 today because this member donated $2,000 towards new annual memberships. That's the only reason why it's $900. It will not be $900 tomorrow. It will not be $900 after 9 people sign up, because Lamar already joined. So you guys
got to welcome Roman.
Roman, welcome to the family. So we got to welcome Lamar and welcome Roman.
If you're
So
having
it was-
trouble on the checkout page, you should quickly text 786-505-4049, 786-505-4049, 786-505-4049. Especially if you're a previous member, previous trial, or current trial, we have to whitelist your email. You will not be able to sign up if you don't text that number first. If you're new and you've never been a member, this is how you sign up. We got to welcome Sarah.
Oh, Sarah, that's awesome. Sarah was one of the other people that I saw commenting. I was rooting for Sarah also. Welcome, Sarah. Sarah, welcome to the family. Everybody, welcome Sarah. So, guys, we got 7 of those spots left now. If you guys want that insane $900 price point, but it comes with all of our courses, right? The beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto futures. It's all included. There's no upsells for courses after you join. You get access to every course with the 900. You also get all of our tools and resources. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. That's over $1,000 if you go to Benzinga directly. You can pay $900 here right now. Get that and everything else on the TTG platform. You get TradingView's premium charting software. That's $600 a year if you go to TradingView. It's included when you pay $900. You get Quote Media's full book level 2. That's about $900 a year. It's included when you join the membership right now for $900. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, the trade ideas scanner, a simulator from ET&A that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. You're going to get analyst ratings, insider buying, insider selling. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. All of that you're going to be getting. Okay. Hold on 1 second, guys. Sorry about that. So all of that is included. You're also going to be getting a trading journal that tracks all of your trading, gives you statistics, right? And numbers, and breaks your trading down to the stats so you guys can see what you're doing wrong and you know what you need to make improvements on. You also get a social sentiment scanner that will tell you what stocks are being mentioned most on social media so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Analyst ratings on any stock. I mean, insider buying, insider selling, short data. It's all included, guys. It's all there for the $900. That's easily $5,000 worth of tools, all included when you join TTG right now by entering the coupon code TTG9910. 9910. All right. 9910. TTG 9910. Again, the next 7 people to join, your price is $900, and that will include the free one-on-one mentor session with one of the TTG Pro trading mods, including myself. Go over your trading specifically and talk about what you're doing wrong and what you need to improve on. Okay. And then you also, let me see here. All right, so that's what you guys will be able to take advantage of that deal here right now. And you also get a double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that. So if you join True Trading Group here, if you go through our courses, if you pass our quizzes, if you attend a study group and you still cannot make back the $900, okay, that you guys are paying for your membership, if you can't make that back at least once, we're going to give you guys double your money back. So I guess we'll give you $1,800 back if you can't make back the $900 at least once during your membership after going through our courses, passing our quizzes, and attending a study group. Okay, that is how confident I am in our ability to help you guys become successful. We've only had to refund 2.6% of our users, and 78% of our members renew their membership. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 1,850 reviews. I stand behind the platform, and I have no problem offering a double your money back guarantee to give you peace of mind and to hold ourselves accountable and to prove to you how confident we are in the product that we've created. Yes, Sean Gallagher, what did I miss? 900, is this real? Yes, it is real. So it's Sean, a member of True Trading Group, has donated $2,000 towards new annual memberships to give back to people that want to join True Trading Group, but did not have the cash at the time. So a member of TTG has donated $2,000 to new annual memberships. And what we have done is take a $200 discount for the next 10 people that join. So instead of paying $1,100, they're going to pay $900. And you all can thank the TTG member that has made that donation to you. All right.
Juan Carlos.
Juan Carlos, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. That means we're down to now just 6. That means we're down to 6. We're down to just 6 of those. All right. TTGoffer.com. Enter the code TTG9910. All right. Double your money back guarantee. You got the one-on-one. The one-on-one mentor session. It's all included here, folks. All right. So once there's 10 transactions, that coupon code will no longer work. So if you go and that coupon code works, then you're good.
That was 7. This is 5. We got to welcome Stacy.
Stacy, welcome to the family. We're now down to 5. Stacy, welcome. We are now down to 5 of those $900 discounts. Yeah, 5 left. Grab them quick, folks. This will not be the case tomorrow. So if you've ever wanted to join True Trading Group, the time for you to do so is now at this 900.
Yeah, and I'm also going to ask that that members do not do this. That if you want to donate to something in the future, like hit us up and we can find a charity to donate to.
Yeah, guys.
We appreciate this very much, and I hope these people appreciate it too. I think that they do. But just hit us up in advance and we'll work with you.
Yeah, guys. And this makes it harder for us too. We don't want you guys to do this. All right.
Apparently there's a lot of trials that are trying to sign up because Luciano is inundated.
All right. So guys, listen, if you are a trial member, and you want this deal, you have to send us a text message to 786-505-4049. All right. 786-505-4049. If you're currently a trial, or you used to be a trial, or you used to be a member and you want to come back, we have to whitelist your email address. So we have to send you, we have to whitelist your email. You have to send us a text message to 786-505-4049. You want to talk about a hot labor market? The U.S. has over 2,250 open job positions for Santa Claus.
Say that again?
There are 2,250 open job positions for Santa right now.
I don't know what that means.
Like for someone that wants to be Santa for like whatever it is, whatever promotion they're doing, or take pictures with kids, like be Santa.
Really?
There's 2,250 open job positions for Santa right now in the U.S.
250,000?
No, 2,250.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Yes, 2,250.
Somebody goes, don't ruin it for Adam. Adam's Jewish. He doesn't know about Santa. Can we do one thing real quick?
What?
Well, first let's welcome Tabitha.
Tabitha, welcome. What is that? 4?
4
spots left now, guys. Everybody welcome Tabitha, newest member. 4 spots left at the $900 price point. Guys, you have to double your money back guarantee. Don't forget that.
Post the thing in chat. I'm not even watching the chat. I don't know if he's posting it or not.
What do you want to post?
The link.
Joe, post the link in chat. You guys go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, click apply code. Price drops to $900 for the next 4 people. After the 4 transactions take place, the code will no longer work. So when you go to that site, if you use the coupon code TTG9910, then If it works, then you know you're one of the 4. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry. You got to pay $1,100.
Yup.
Yup.
Can we talk about something for a second? And then we're gonna do the giveaway for members, then we're gonna call it a day.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
But before we do the giveaway for members, we're gonna give away $100 to 10 members tonight. And then on Sunday at 8:30 p.m., which you guys should all be there, we're gonna give away $100 to another 10 members. So yeah.
Cool.
Speaking of being Jewish, can we talk about Kanye West for a second?
No, we cannot.
Really?
Nope.
I delete the XXX18.online is here again. Free girls in your city.
Let's do the giveaway.
I'm working on it, Mike. Right? So it's 10 tonight and 10 on Sunday. I went ahead and deleted all my Kanye West music off of my iPhone today. Joe, relax, bro. We see it now. We're good, bro. I can't answer while I'm doing this. All right, almost there. 31 of you think you slick. 31 people tried to register twice. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I did. Disqualified.
No, I mean I can't go that far back, but all right, let's do it. Wheel of names. Yeah, they started Yadolf Hitler was trending on Twitter.
I don't want to talk about this. I just want to do the giveaway.
All right. Somebody sent me a message and they said, "Can I buy the trading journal?"
It's free with your membership.
It's free with your membership. You know what? Yes, you can. Hang on.
You know what? Yes. Sure. You want to pay for it? Sure. Why not?
Yep. How much? A lot.
Mike, how's your arm? My arm is much better, actually. The pain has gone. It was like at an 8. It's gone down to like a 1 or a 2.
This person's already a member. Thank you, Mike. I only want to hear talk about the stock market and how we can make money. That's from Rico Taco.
You're very welcome.
Yeah. Good job, Rico Taco.
I got you guys' back.
Mm-hmm. Now he's gone. What are you going to do about it, Rico Taco? Just kidding.
You guys can tell it's Friday. Adam, let's do this giveaway, man. Come on.
Loading. I don't have a giveaway button, Mike.
Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any other questions for me before we do the giveaway? You can tell it's Friday. I'll answer anyone's questions while we wait for Adam to load. Anybody? How are there still 4 spots left for this $900?
There are literally 12 people on the checkout page right now. I
don't know
no
what you guys
idea
are waiting for because it's only going to work. It's only going to work for the next 4 transactions. So I would hurry up Okay, guys, and I would use TTG 9910 right now and grab that for the $900 and get the full access to the TTG platform. The price is $1,100, so this is a very unique situation. So there's 12 people on that checkout page. I'm sorry to inform you that it will only work for the next 4 of you. If you have any questions, folks, 786-505-4049.
All right, here we go.
All right, let's do it.
Oh my God, this person goes great. I think that will help a lot. Instructions for ordering. It's $5,000 USD.
This is the person that's asking about TradingView.
If they can buy they're asking if they can buy.
Oh,
So Brent, we see you're having trouble checking out on the website. Send a text message to 786-505-4049, Brent.
Brent, send us a text, Brent. We see that you're having a hard time. Guys, again, if you're a trial member, if you are a previous trial member or a previous annual member, that coupon code is not going to work for you. We have to whitelist your email address. So send us a text message to 786-505-4049. Here's a good question. Ahmad, you usually give us options to trade. They always usually give us options to trade on pretty quickly, and they always work out great. What do you look for when you picking option contracts to trade? That's a great question, actually, Ahmad, because for those that don't know, whenever I trade a stock, I'll always alert members to an option contract, either a call or a put, that they can trade if they want to follow me on the trade, like Meta today. Like I bought Meta at 119.48 or 119.46, whatever it was. And then I told members, if you want to follow me on this trade, but you don't have the money to buy the stock, I would say buy the December 9th $120 strike call option. And at the time, the option was like 265, 270, and it went all the way to $5.25 today for about 95% gain. What I look for, Ahmad, is I personally like to day trade no less than 1 week expirations. I personally don't like same day or next day expiration option contracts because the time decay is so heavy, but the price is a lot cheaper. So a lot of people with really small accounts will trade same day or next day expiration options. I personally don't. I like to give myself a little bit more time. And then
Marlene.
What?
Marlene.
Oh, Marlene. Welcome, Marlene. Guys, 3 spots left now. Marlene, welcome to our family. Glad to have you part of the group. Welcome, Marlene. Melissa M, I see your question. Melissa M, I'm going to answer your question as soon as I'm done with it, because that's also a very good question. So, Ahmad, back to your question. What I like to do is I'll do, if I'm day trading, I like to do like a 1 week to 1.5 week expiration on the contract. Then I will buy a strike price. The strike price will be slightly out of the money at time of entry, but if I'm correct on what I think the stock's going to do, it'll then go into the money. So what that means is if the stock is at 119 and I think it's going to go to 103, I'll buy a 120 strike. So it's out of the money at the time of entry, right? 119, strike is 120. But if I'm right, it'll go to stock goes to 123. I'm now in the money. If it's a put option, the stock's at 100. I think it's going to go to 95. I'll buy a $98 strike put option out of the money at the time I enter. Stock's at 100, put at 98. And then if it goes to 95, it goes in the money. So that's what I'll do when I day trade. Okay, so 1 week to 1.5 week expiration, strike price out of the money at time of entry, in the money at time of take profit. That is how I go about selecting what option contract that I would want to trade when I alert you guys the option. Okay. Now, Melissa M, your question. Melissa M says, what percentage of my account should I use in each trade? I'm glad you asked that question, Melissa, because that is the wrong way to think about it. And that's the wrong question you should be asking.
Damn, okay? You didn't shit all over her question, though.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not pooping all over her question. I want to make sure that she understands the right way to do this, because that's a very common mistake that a lot of traders make. A lot of traders say, well, I'm going to put the same dollar amount into every single trade. And that's the wrong way to look at things because every trade does not carry the same amount of risk. All right. So if you are going to be, what you need to ask yourself, Melissa, it doesn't matter if you have $1,000 in your account or $100,000 in your account. What is the dollar amount that you are comfortable
I forgot
risking?
about the wheel of names completely.
You did?
Yeah, I was like, why are you answering questions?
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's been.
All right, let me just finish this. Let me just finish Melissa's question, and we'll do that.
Alan Ware's like, Adam, how's the wheel of names treating you? I'm like, oh crap.
So Melissa, you want to figure out what is the dollar
Bo
amount.
Woo, big Bo Woo, Bo X. You got some Bo X. We have Bo X and Bo W in TTG.
Okay, so Bo, welcome to the family. What is that now? 2?
Yeah, there's 2 left.
2 left. Everybody welcome Bo. Everybody welcome. So what you should be asking yourself, Melissa, is not how much money you should put into the trade or what percent of your account you should put into the trade. What you should be asking yourself is, what's the dollar amount you're willing to risk on the trade? Meaning, if you are wrong on the trade and you lose money, how much money are you going to lose? What are you comfortable with? Is that $50? Is it $100? Is it $200? Is it $500? Is it $1,000? What are you comfortable risking? Meaning, what are you comfortable losing per trade that you are wrong on? That's how you have to look at it. Now, I can't answer that question for you just because you have. This is why I don't like the percentage question, because $1,000 in your account, okay, doesn't that you're comfortable risking $1,000 per trade or $2,000 per trade. So you'll hear some people say, oh, well, anywhere from like 1 to 3% of your account. But just because you have $100,000 in your account, you might not be comfortable dollars on every trade you're wrong. Maybe your risk tolerance is 200,
while you're explaining?
Yeah. Okay. So Melissa, I hope that helps answer your question. Okay. I hope that helps answer your question. Adam, my mic's cutting out. People are saying anyway, my connection's starting to fade. So why don't you just tell them about the giveaway and go ahead and do it.
All right, guys, we're going to give away $100 to 10 True Trading Group members. So let's do this. Misfortune. That's funny that fortune smiles upon her. All right, let's go again. Angelita. King of stock. More like king of stank with the way you've been trading, bro. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just messing around. All right.
It's Friday. It's Friday.
All right, here we go. Can you hear the music?
No, I can't.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Hot damn.
Dog.
Hot damn.
All right, hang on. I want you guys to be able to hear this as well. Mike, I'm not going to be able to hear it. Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me when I do this. Okay?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Journey, congratulations, Journey.
All right, we got 5. Misfortune, Angelita, King of Stock, Hot Dog, and Journey. Let's spin again.
Lynn. Congratulations, Lynn.
That's my mother's middle name.
Congratulations.
Mom, is that you? All right, here we go. Gale 77.
Gale 77. Congratulations,
3 more to
Gale.
go, guys.
That music was aggressive. That music was like Mega Man level 10. J Kong.
Jay Kong.
Congrats, J Kong. Is that it?
Okay.
All is well, Ed.
Oh, I'm happy they won.
I'm happy all is well. Yeah, all is well, Ed won. All
Last
is
one
well.
for today.
Last one for today, guys. Here it is. Who's going to be?
Ali. Or Ali.
Ali or Ali? I never know.
All right.
I never know.
I'll put the winner's name inside of a Google Doc real quick.
Congratulations.
Put it on the screen.
And there you guys
Took
have
my
it.
mic
There's our 10 winners for today. Congratulations. Congratulations to
Congratulations, everyone. We're going to do this again on Sunday night for 10 more people. But the people today that won, we have Misfortune, Angelita, King of Stock, Hot Dog, Journey, Lynn, Gale 77, Jay Kong, All Is Well Ed, and Ali or Ali. Hot Dog, I'm involuntarily changing their name to Glizzy on Monday.
Okay.
So, yeah. All right, you guys got 5 minutes to send me that email. So far, the only one that did was Misfortune.
Oh, guys, hurry up! You got 5 minutes to send Adam that email.
Somebody sent it to me, but I'd have to check who they are. So maybe 2 people so far.
How many spots are left?
Good question. Hang on. I don't know if there's something up with the site because the same 9 people are still there, and there's still 3 spots left.
3 or 2?
Or 2, sorry, 2.
All right, guys. Well, you guys.
I'm gonna close it down either way before the end of the stream. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So if it doesn't, all right. So Jabby. So 1 left.
Jabby, welcome to the family, everybody. Welcome, Jabby. 1 spot left, guys. Hurry up. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter the coupon code TTG9910, and you'll be able to get the ridiculous price of $900. And it's $900 again. Just to recap, we had a member donate $2,000 to give back for annual memberships for people, and we decided to take that and spread it out. Give 10 people an additional $200 discount. This is not the price of the membership. Tomorrow, actually, 1 more person signs up, and that's it. The price is actually $1,100 for the holiday sale, which comes with the free laptop, the one-on-one mentor session, the double your money back guarantee. That's the holiday.
The $1,100 is an absolute steal.
Yeah, $1,100 is an absolute steal. The price is normally $2,200. So you guys get a 50% discount with the holiday sale normally, but this person just wanted to give back, and you can all thank them. Every person that signed up today and only paid $900.
And like I said before, if any member wants to do something like this in the future, I would honestly prefer that you let us know ahead of time.
Yes, please.
So because what we would like to do is maybe we could, instead of donating it to True Trading Group, maybe collectively as a group we can make a donation to Make-A-Wish, or Wounded Warrior Project, or something like that. People sign up for True Trading Group regardless of a $200 discount.
Right. Yeah.
So, let us know in advance if you want to do something like that, and we can do something where maybe Mike and I match you or something. You know what I mean? And we give it to a good cause. Yeah, Mike, why you...
All right, guys, listen, what we're going to do. That concludes the educational part of our... Adam, your webcam is all weird, bro. I don't like... Yeah. There we go. Yeah, there you go. It's better. So, guys, listen, what I'm going to do, this concludes the educational part of our live stream or the comical, entertaining part of our live stream. If you're not interested in membership, you guys can sign off now. I will, but make sure you subscribe to the channel first.
People claimed it.
Only 4 people. Is 5 minutes up?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know. I wasn't counting. They have until I'm done.
Okay.
So I'll show you the actual platform now for those of you that are interested. So when you join TTG, you're getting access to the whole platform of our courses and tools. The courses and tools are included with your annual membership. You don't pay extra for those. All right. You get the chat room where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic calling out trades in real time. We share our screens with you. We're with you from pre-market all the way through until the market closes. We're not gone after 2 hours, answering questions, giving you market commentary, trade ideas, trade alerts throughout the entire trading session. You also get to use the mobile app that will let you see the screen share, listen to the audio, even if you're not in front of your computer, and you'll be able to get real-time push notifications whenever the moderators enter or exit trades. You're also then going to be getting access to the Benzinga Pro. 2 private study groups. I forgot to mention that. 2 private study groups with one of our pro traders, so you guys can ask questions and speed up your learning curve. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, which will cost you over $1,000 if you go to Benzinga directly. It's included with your membership. You're going to be able to use TradingView's premium charting software. That's about $600 if you go to TradingView directly. It's free with your membership. You're going to get the Trade Ideas scanner. That's a few $100 a year. It's included with your membership at no additional cost.
Yo, people are getting slick, bro. They sent Luciano a text message. Jay Kong sent Luciano a text message, and he's like, hey, man, I lost the email. What's the email to send Adam the message to? My dog, you are disqualified.
Damn, Jay Kong, no!
My bad, buddy. My bad, buddy.
Oh, Jay Kong. Oh,
all right, so that means we at least have 11 spots now for Sunday. Damn.
All right. So there we have that.
Oh,
so aside from the scanner, you guys are going to get the ETNA simulator. That'll let you trade stocks and options with fake money. That's just under $1,000 if you go to ETNA directly. It's included with your membership, guys. You get our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, and options flow as well. A full trading journal that tracks your trading, breaks it down to the statistics and the numbers so you can see what you're doing wrong.
I need to understand why there are so many people on the checkout page and why it is taking this long to go through.
They probably just left it open. They're not signing up. The social sentiment scanner that you guys will be able to use, it goes through Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter. It tells you what ticker symbols are being mentioned most on social media, so you guys can stay ahead of the crowd. You get analyst ratings on any stock you are interested in, so you know exactly how many buy, sell, and hold ratings are on the name. If there's been insider buying, insider selling, what the short data is, it's all included. You get a watch list every day from the mods with the stocks we're looking at and the game plan and how we intend on trading them. And then you will also get all the courses. The courses are a simplified but expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto futures, you name it. We've got it. It's all included. There's no additional pro courses that cost more money after you subscribe. They're all included. Okay? They are all included. Then you get a video library that's got over 200 hours of educational video content. Over 400 hours of educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that we've conducted covering a variety of topics. And then you can actually attend these now live once you become a full-time member. Folks, there is one spot left for the $900 price point. There's one spot left for the $900 price point. Go to ttgoffer.com. You will use the coupon code TTG9910. If that coupon code works, you got to click apply code. It'll drop the price to $900. That will include a one-on-one mentor session with one of the pro trading mods at TTG. It is only $900 because a member of the trading group has donated $2,000 to new annual members, and we have spread it out for an additional $200 discount for 10 people. There's one spot left. Okay. Once the 10th transaction is completed, that coupon code will no longer work. So if you go to ttgoffer.com, you enter TTG9910.
We got to welcome Rhett.
Rhett, there it is, guys. None left. No more spots for the 900. So everybody welcome Rhett. Now, if you guys want to join, go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. That'll give you a 50% discount. The price drops to $1,100, and that comes with a brand new free laptop with a retail value of around $300. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world, and you will get the one-on-one mentor session and the double your money back guarantee. You have all year to go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend the study group. If you cannot make back the $1,100 at least once during your membership, we'll give you back $2,200. That's how confident we are in our platform's ability to help you guys become successful.
Sunday night at 8:30, we're going live, and then Sunday at midnight, the price is going to move from $1,100 to $1,250. $1,250 will be the final holiday price for the entire month of December.
Awesome. There you guys have it. All right. So that's it, folks. Enjoy your weekend. Let's go USA. 9 a.m.
Up there. Oh, darn it.
9 a.m. tomorrow.
What are they doing?
The U.S. is playing against the Netherlands. Mark LNU says, I'll sign up for 900. Mark, I'm sorry. There are no more spots left. We filled them. But if you're interested, send a text message to 786. Mark, send a text message to 786-505-4049. We'll hook you guys up. 786-505-4049. If you have any questions at all about this membership, welcome to all of our new family members of True Trading Group. It is our pleasure.
Mark, where were you 5 minutes ago, brother?
Yeah, Mark. Mark, send a text that number right down there at the bottom of your screen. Anybody else that has questions, you also send a text that number at the bottom of your screen. Guys, that does it for us. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. Do not miss Sunday night's live stream. It's going to be a big one.
He goes, bro, that's not, J-Con goes, bro, that's not cool. Damn. Oh, wait, hang on. Can you ask Adam if I can still get the email I thought I had it saved? No, bro.
J-Con, that's the whole point, man.
Well, if you could just ask Adam, $100 is a lot of money to me. That's, bro, I don't know why you're talking to our salesperson about this. It's all good. Somebody goes, I won $100 2 days ago and never got a response email. Username is Snowlion. I was watching on YouTube. Is that giveaway real or a scam? Guys, if you've won money from us as a member and we paid you, type the number 1 in chat. If you've won money from us and we paid you, are our giveaways a scam?
What an ass.
Yeah.
What an ass.
Yeah, it really is.
What an ass.
Yeah.
Ugh. Unbelievable.
Damn.
Yeah, we just do scam giveaways. I would love to go to jail. It's the greatest place ever.
Mm-hmm. I call bottom bunk.
Idiots. People are so.
Snowlion is a member, so.
No, I know. I know Snowlion. I'm just very disappointed in that comment. Very disappointed in that comment.
You're a scam, is what I'm replying.
What?
I'm replying, you're a scam. You know what else was a scam? That entire year we gave back $1 million to members.
Yeah, that was totally a scam when we gave away $1 million to our TTG members. Total scam. We could have should have just put that money in our pocket.
I'm gonna add a part to our terms of service that because Snowlion I think won the giveaway for $100. Like I don't know when it was. I think it was like 2 days ago. And yeah, like it's 10 people. So like, I'm sorry if I haven't gotten to everybody yet. I will. Usually, takes me like a day or two. But I'll tell you this, I'm going to institute something in our terms of service over the weekend, which states that if you participate in a giveaway, and and you don't receive the giveaway money within 24 hours or something, like, something like you have to, give it 48 hours or something, so people don't freak out that it's not like immediately instant. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Snowline, you know better. All right, guys, that's it. That is it for us. Set your reminders for Sunday, 8:30 p.m. We're going to go live. I'm going to give you guys my market outlook for next week. We'll talk about what the futures are doing, what are my top trade ideas for next week, how I plan on making money. Great job today, guys. Meta, home run today. Made some good money on AMD to the short side. It was a fantastic day today inside of True Trading Group. It was a great week. Good way to finish things off. Good weekly cap. Enjoy the weekend. Let's go USA tomorrow, and I'll see you guys Sunday night. You don't want to miss Sunday's live stream, guys. Sunday's live stream is going to be big. I got a lot I want to go over with you. I got very specific game plans here as we get into the month of December. I want to talk to you guys about it, so you don't want to miss Sunday's live, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Set your reminder. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button if you have not done so already. I'll see you guys all in chat. Have a great week.